Alright guys, Geoff here. I just wanted to give you the lowdown on this. This is a kind of a mechanical style crimper. It allows you to go from 8 gauge clear down to quadruple odd gauge, so super heavy duty. If you are making up like battery cables like I've been doing quite a bit of work in solar on my house, and I find that a lot of the battery connections and terminals that go from the inverters to the charge controllers to the batteries, they are either too long, too short, and so I've been making my own, which then creates the problem of, how do you get these lugs put in place. And so this guy works kind of neat. It's just simply a mechanical device here, and you can see you just raise and lower it, and you set this guy in there. And the nice thing is that when you put it in, it kind of holds it. So just like I lost the lug there, and it's important to make sure you get all the wires in there, but it holds it. So once you get it in there, that's going to help basically hold it in place, and then you provide just a couple of nice hits with the hammer here, and let's go like that, and boom, voila, you have the perfect crimp on there. You can see that definitely put it on there super nice and tight. And then I use these little shrink tubes, the heat shrink tubes, to then cover up all of that and go on there. So now you've made up your own, the start of your own battery cable here, which is perfect. So if you don't need to do a ton of work with lugs, this definitely is a super high quality. You can just feel how heavy that is. It's definitely going to hold up to years and years and years of making your own little crimps. So anyway, check this thing out. I think you'll like that.